Do you ever open a PDF and wish the pages were in a different order? Maybe you want a summary first or move page 3 to the end? With Samsung Notes on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can do that in seconds, no laptop needed. Let me show you how to reorder PDF pages right on your phone. First, open Samsung Note app. Tap Import PDF icon at the top of the screen. Select the required PDF file and then tap Done button. Once the PDF opens, tap the three dot icon at the top right corner and then select Page Sorter. You will now see all the pages in the file. Just tap and hold a page and then drag it to where you want it to go. Move as many pages as you want. When you are done, just tap the back key. Samsung Note will automatically save the updated PDF for you. And that's it. So why is this helpful? Because sometimes you need to organize a document before sending it, like for work, school, or sharing note. You don't need a computer. You don't need a special app. Samsung Note make it super easy to fix the order of pages right from your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.